Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. We are in the chapter Rational Numbers, exercise 2E. Let us see. Page number 36. They said evaluate. That means find the value of the given fractions based on the symbols shown there or the simplified forms we have to write. Let us see. First one in the first question, minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. We should simplify both the fractions given. LCM of both the denominators 3 and 4 is 12. We know how to do the LCM. 3 and 4 LCM is 12. We want to get this 12 in every denominator. We have done this type of sums in the previous classes. In the explanations of the same chapter, we have done it. That 2 by 3 taken, here 3 by 4 also taken. Now denominator 3 4s are only our LCM, that is 12. Here 4 is written, same 4 we have to write in the numerator to not to get any difference in the value of the fraction. Here 4 is written, same 4 we have to write. Same way, this 3 by 4 is written. Here 4 3s are only our LCM, that is 12. Here 3 required, that's why here also 3 written. Now minus 2 into 4 is minus 8 by 3 4s are 12. It is clear for you? Plus symbol. 3 into 3 9 by 4 into 3 12. This is 9 by 12. That is minus 8 by 12. Next, here 12 and 12 denominators are same we got because of the LCM. Now, common denominator 12 is written. The numerators minus 8 plus 9. Minus 8 plus 9 is written. Now you see, 9 is with plus symbol, 8 is with minus symbol. Here we have to discuss or identify the answer with the symbol. 9 rupees with us, plus means the money with us, 9 rupees with us, but only 8 rupees their debt in the shop. With 9 rupees we went to shop and gave 8 rupees to the shop people. Then what will happen? They will say, your debt is clear, 8 rupees you paid. Said, yes. Then still, if we check our pocket, 1 rupee in the pocket, that is plus 1, called 1. No symbol is given, that is plus only. So 1 plus 1, 1 rupee with us. 1 by 12. So 1 by 12 becoming answer for us. Did you understand the last part of simplification? That is the way we have discussed already. Again I have repeatedly said it. I hope that is also clear for you. We will go for the another question. In the same first question only, fourth bit. Same simplification. Evaluate 9 by minus 16 plus minus 5 by minus 12. Now same question I have taken. Here minus symbol, here minus symbol. Two minus symbols are there in the same fraction. Numerator minus symbol, denominator minus symbol. Both were cancelled. This is written minus 9 by 16 because this minus which is in the denominator can be given to the numerator. So minus 9 by 16. Here two minus symbols were cancelled. This plus symbol as it is taken. 5 by 12 as it is written. Is it clear for you? Minus symbol cancelled and 5 by 12 left is written. Then LCM of both the denominators 16 and 12. If you do LCM, we will get to 48. Now our 48 is the target for us to change the every denominator. Here 16 is there, this should convert to or change to the 48. Here 12 is there, that should change to the 48. For that what we have to do, arranging the brackets. Minus 9 by 16 written, in another bracket 5 by 12 is written. Now 16 should multiply with 3. 16 3 our LCM, that is 48. Correct? Whenever 3 required in the denominator, numerator also 3 only. We have discussed already about that. Same way 12 into 4 only, our LCM, that is 48. So here 4 is required, numerator also 4 only. Now what are the results? Minus 9 into 3 minus 27 by 16 3s are 48. Am I correct? Same way, plus symbol, 5 4s are 20 by 12 4s are 48. Now both the fractions with the same denominator, that is 48. So 48 I have taken as common denominator. What are the numbers left in the numerator? Minus 27 plus 20. Clear for you? Then that 48 as it is written, minus 27 plus 20. That means 27 rupees debt there in the shop for us. Minus means that is. Plus 20 means only 20 rupees with us in the pocket. We went to shop with 20 rupees and gave 20 rupees to them. What they will say for us? They will say that again 7 rupees debt is there. When are you going to give that 7 rupees debt, they will ask us. Am I correct? That is only called minus 7 by 48. That is the answer for us. Is it clear, students? In this way only we will have another question. Same page, second question, that is writing sum. Steps are needed, are called verbal sum. See that. Sum of two rational numbers given as minus 3 by 8. Sum means addition. Addition of two rational numbers is minus 3 by 8. One of the rational number is given as 3 by 16. Then what can be the other rational number is the question. We have done this type of sums. Once again we are doing, listen with great care. It will be easy for you. We have told you one example also by that time. Let us see one more example to make it more clear. Sum of the two articles are 20 rupees. Sum of two articles are 20 rupees. Suppose one of the article is 7 rupees, then what will be the cost of other article? So from 20, if you subtract this 7, you will get the other article, value of the other article, that is 13 rupees. Am I correct? That is subtraction operation we need. From the sum we should subtract one of the rational number given. That only we have written here. Sum of the two rational numbers given as minus 3 by 8. One of the rational number which is given is 3 by 16. Then other rational number we have to identify. Other rational number is equal to, how did we get, how are you going to get that? Sum of the two rational numbers minus one of the rational number. If you subtract like that, we will get. See here, what is the sum of minus 3 by 8? Sum is minus 3 by 8 minus symbol. One of the rational number given as 3 by 16. Since the denominators are different, we should go for the LCM. LCM of 8 and 16 is equal to 16. Then we want to change every denominator to our LCM. That is minus 3 by 8 I have written in one bracket. Another bracket 3 by 16 I have written. Now 8 into 2 gives you our LCM. So 2 is required, that is 16. 2 is required in the denominator. Same 2 I have to write in the numerator also. Again minus symbol. 3 by 16. 16 into 1 gives you our LCM, that is 16 only. When 1 is required in the denominator, same 1 I have to write in the numerator. Like that our brackets are filled. Next, minus 3 into minus 2, minus 6 by 8 2s are 16. Again minus symbol. 3 ones, 3 by 16 ones, 16. Am I correct? Afterwards, same denominators are there. That's why common denominator 16 is written. Next numerator part I have to write. That only here written. Minus 6, minus 3. That means 6 rupees to debt only, 3 rupees also debt only. I have to give 6 rupees in one shop. I have to give 3 rupees in another shop. Total how much I have to give in both places? Total means we should add 6 and 3. That is only 9. My debt, total debt is 9 rupees. That is called minus 9 by 16. and that remains as a answer. That is only called the other rational number. Is it clear, students? Now in this way we have to complete these evaluations or the verbal sums related and all those. Just practice the sums which are left here and there, and you will get knowledge, and you have to use any rough notes or any of the revision notes for it. I hope things are very clear for you for today's session's teachings, and with the other part tomorrow we will teach that part. Thank you.